ladies and gentlemen, whether in the live stream across Europe or right here in the hall, I would like to welcome you all to Rüsselsheim, the cradle of the Opel brand. And here comes the new Astra, electrified for the first time.
Once you cross this world and into that unconscious state, you will vividly be present in everything you see.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, one world premiere is not enough. Please welcome the new Opel CEO on his very first day right here at Opel. Please welcome Mr. Uwe Hochgeschurtz.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the premiere of a stunning car. And yes, Chiemsee, indeed. Today is my first day as the new Opel CEO. I'm really excited to see you all for this world premiere. I'm looking forward playing an important role at a very special brand with such a great heritage, exciting cars, and of course, fantastic people.
Uwe, speaking about brands as you just have, can you tell us how do you like the new Astra and also what does it mean to the Opel brand?
It's a great car, and I'm a lucky guy to start together with such an outstanding vehicle. The new Astra will open an exciting new chapter in the 85-year history of Opel compact class models. The new generation is electrified for the first time. The Opel logo, the Blitz, has never matched the Astra so well. I am confident that the new Astra will make a powerful impression and attract many new customers to the brand. Opel has already become sustainable, profitable, and is now going global. We have just announced our entry of the Chinese market with a fully electric portfolio. We need to move forward fast because people's demand on mobility are changing rapidly. And the industry environment has never been more challenging.
Uwe, can you tell us what does that all mean for the Opel customers?
The brand positioning is very clear, and this is a great foundation to build on. Opel will be the German automaker. Opel is German, approachable, and exciting. Opel stands for bold and pure design. Young-minded, agile, inclusive, and menschlich, as we would say in German. I am sure that with our new cars, we will be able to move from cold to cool. We will put the customer first, more than ever before, and challenge conventional thinking.
Now, Uwe, you'll have 6 electrified passenger cars and a fully electrified LCV fleet by the end of the year. Now, that's great, but I do want to know what's next.
In 2024, our complete portfolio will be electrified. Then, by 2028, Opel will offer only electric cars in Europe. So green thinking at Opel will come together with innovation. This is a 360-degree approach in greennovation. What does it mean, greennovation? It's green and innovation. We will also introduce a completely climate-neutral value chain. For example, we, with our partners, will build a gigafactory for battery cells in Kaiserslautern. These are our answers to the major challenge of our time, global warming. And the new Astra will play a major role achieving our ambitions.
But Uwe, can you tell us how will the Astra do that?
Because it's highly energy efficient. We can offer the new Astra with state-of-the-art petrol and diesel engines, as well as 2 plug-in hybrids. It will be available as a dynamic 5-door hatchback and a roomy sports tourer estate. The new generation is a big step, more efficient, spacious, versatile than its predecessor.
One important factor is, of course, also the price. How much will it cost, Uwe?
Prices will start at 22,465 euro in Germany for an already really well-equipped Astra. Order books open in October, and regular production will start at the end of this year at our plant here in Rüsselsheim. Let's have a look at the first pre-series vehicles rolling off the assembly line.
My name is Michael Ewald. I'm the plant manager of the Rüsselsheim plant. In the center of everything is to manage my team, that we build cars which make our customer happy. For me, the biggest goal is that I build excellent quality. We changed all of our IT infrastructure to be able to work within the new systems from the Stellantis group. In addition, we had to flexibilize our entire production line. We run every car on the same line. We are now set up for the future, so we are able to build electrified vehicles. It's a fantastic car. It's really excellent design, and what I always like from every Opel, the drivetrain, the seats, and all the technique. I think we are not just electrifying our products, also my team is electrified to build the new cars in Rüsselsheim. It's one of our core models. It's designed in Rüsselsheim and it's built in Rüsselsheim. That is something my team and myself are very proud of. The new Astra, built in Rüsselsheim at the heart of Opel.
Thank you, Michael. And I'm very proud that I can make another big announcement today. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Astra will also be available as a pure BEV, battery electric version, the new Opel Astra E, in 2023. This will be the first time that we offer both a plug-in hybrid and battery electric version on the same model. Battery electric, hybrid, diesel or petrol. The customer has the full choice.
Wow, fantastic. Uwe, thank you so much for sharing all this exciting news with us at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for Uwe Hochgeschurtz.
Thank you.
I'm Ilka Höbermann and I'm color and trim designer at Opel. German design is for me, on the one hand, the simplicity, the pureness, and then the technical elements in combination. It is sometimes difficult to keep this pureness and then add the boldness. It's always all about the harmony and the right balance. The team developed a super fresh and modern yellow that adds some juiciness and boldness to the car. It makes it quite premium looking. And this is actually the same then in the interior, where you have the elegance. You have really a high diversity of different colors, textures, graphics, patterns. The all-new Astra has this dynamic look and a very self-confident personality. The strong accents and details, they can be just beautiful, they can have a functional aspect, they can even make you smile sometimes. This is a new Astra, all designed in Germany.
So everybody knows the Astra name, but with this generation, we wanted to use it to drive a new perception of what the Opel brand stands for. Of course, it's German. We created the car here in Rüsselsheim, but it carries Opel's new bold and pure design philosophy forward with a confident, sporty execution. Let me take you through a few of the design highlights. And let's start with the front face of the car, and of course, the Opel visor, first seen on the new Mokka. The full-width visor graphic gives the Astra a bold, progressive look, seamlessly integrating technologies such as the typical wing signature lights and the ultra-slim LED pixel headlamps that will once again bring cutting-edge innovation to the compact segment. Moving to the side, you can see the sleek dynamic proportions and muscular wheel arches together with the two-tone roof, giving the car a very low and sporty stance. At the rear, the muscular shoulders really help plant the car on the ground, emphasizing strong dynamic capability. Again, the typical wing-shaped full LED signature lights, new centrally mounted Astra nameplate badging, and sheer taut surfaces of the tailgate all help to communicate a modern, high-quality vehicle with, of course, German precision.
I'm Mariella Vogler, and I'm the chief engineer of the new Astra. Once you, as a team, are bold in your attitudes and decision-making, out of that character comes the right car. The iconic Pure panel paved our way to the future. We decided for very high-tech material, magnesium, and this gave to the whole component a completely different stiffness level. We did not make any compromises on the technology. We have put exactly our vision of futuristic technology, high-end, non-expected in a compact segment feature into the car. After going through the whole creative process of engineering and of designing, the car materialized. Without such a dedication, we would never have seen that moment. And what we saw is what we dreamed about. This is the new Opel Astra, developed in Germany.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the new generation Astra. Well, we have already heard from Mark Adams about the new Opel face, the visor. Now, we would like to show you two more new cars that proudly wear this family face.
Here's our new SUV flagship. The new Grandland is elegantly sporty with intuitive controls and innovative technologies. With a fully digital Pure panel, the new model offers a completely different cockpit experience. The design shows typically clear lines. The Opel visor stretches all across the front. Deliveries for the new Grandland made in Germany at the Eisenach plant will begin very soon.
Well, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very timeless car that has come back to the future. Just take a look.
The new Opel Manta GSE Electromod combines the best of both worlds, the classic appearance of a style icon, electric, emissions-free, and of course, full of emotions. Visually, the Manta GSE features the new Opel face. In fact, the original Manta A was the initial inspiration for the new Opel visor. The interior also features the latest Opel digital technology. The classic round instruments are history. Instead, the driver can experience the Opel Pure panel just like in the new Mokka. And what a stunning car it is. We will bring strong emotions and an electrified future to all our customers. Fans and media are excited about our new, old Manta, and so are we, of course. We've therefore decided to open the next chapter of the Manta legend. Not a retro model, though, but a completely new interpretation of a future Manta, a Manta of our times, emission-free, multifunctional, and of course, very desirable. Opel will reinvent the Manta. We will put this new icon into production by mid-decade, purely electric, of course. I can certainly promise you a very avant-garde Opel Manta E.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, new generation Astra, new Astra E, new Grandland, and as we now saw, new Manta E. That is what I call breaking news. Amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming today, for being here with us on this very special day, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye and take care. Thank you.